All the best.
To Tangkhul or to Ukhrul, but to entire northeast and the entire country. It's amazing, immense. The strategic importance of Tawan, we all are aware, and as a personality, whatever I read about him, whatever I heard during his little brief, what I saw, what I found out on the internet, he was a person full of talent.
Now I request the team captains to come forward for oath and repeat after me. We shall take part in this Assam Rifles Major Bob Cutting Tournament 2019 in the true spirit of sportsmanship, and that we will respect and abide by the rules which govern them for the glory and honor of our country.
Play the center forward here.